return to play depends upon satisfaction of a number of variables. First is that the symptoms that you had after your concussion have gone away. I want to make a distinction here. Life itself has symptoms for everybody. So uh, if you're a little tired because you're a teenager didn't sleep well last night, that doesn't mean you still have a concussion. A little irritated because your brother took your bike. That's not a concussion. It's the concussion symptoms that have to go away, not your life symptoms. So that's one distinction. Two, hopefully a doctor has examined you and told you that your physical examination is good. It's normal. You're neurologically fine now. And three, you have to have some idea that going back to physical activity is not dangerous or going to produce symptoms. So in some instances, you might participate in an exertion test to systematically assess that, or you've gone through a graduated stepwise return to activity uh, that ends up in you playing your sport in a simulated situation without return of symptoms. So you've become tolerant to exercise again. Once all those three factors have been satisfied, then it's safe for you to return to your sport.